This is Daria Shabad with CorporateProfile.com reporting on the news for Friday, June 22nd, 2012. Moody's has issued a downgrade to some of the biggest banks in the world, a move that most investors seem to perceive as a little too late, and the markets agreed by pretty much shrugging it all off. The downgrade applies to the 6 biggest asset holders in the U.S., including Morgan Stanley. The lower ratings will probably raise the affected banks' borrowing costs, as well as affect how they raise capital, which then in turn could deprive the banks of trading returns. It is the first time that Moody's has imposed a general downgrade of major banks since 2007, but the general consensus seems to be that Moody's will never predict a problem in advance to warn the public, and that market prices have been reflecting Moody's so-called downgrade for quite some time now. But thank you, Moody's, for putting in your 5 cents. It was recently reported that an overzealous Apple sales assistant refused to sell an iPad to an American citizen of Iranian origin. Basically, the young woman called Sahar Sabet walked into an Apple store in Atlanta, Georgia, with her uncle, all excited to get her hands on the new iPad, when the sales assistant overhears them speak in a language unknown to his ear. The salesman's curiosity took the best of him, and the young woman told him that she is Iranian. Hearing that, the salesman took the law in his own hands and said he would not be able to sell her the iPad because Iran and US don't have a good relationship right now. Even the store manager came out with a written policy stating, quote, "The US holds complete embargoes against Cuba, Iran, North Korea, Sudan, and Syria." Basically, the policy refers to exports to Iran, and none of the sales force ever asked her if she is an American citizen, which surprisingly she actually is. Well done, overzealous worker at Apple. I sincerely hope Apple has taken the appropriate measures with regards to your punishment. One of the most anticipated soccer matches is kicking off today, Germany versus Greece. This will be one of the most politically motivated games the Euro Cup has seen in a long time. Last time something as exciting took place was the match between Germany and Turkey in Euro Cup 2008. Basically, the Greeks are looking for revenge in this upcoming match to show Germans that even though they might need their financial aid, they can still kick their ass on the soccer field, or can they? It will certainly be a tense game, but we cannot disregard the fact that it was actually a German, Otto Rehhagel, that had led the Greek soccer team to victory in the Euro Cup in 2004. Quite symbolic, don't you think? I'm Daria Shabad with CorporateProfile.com reporting directly from Wall Street. Thank you for watching, and please tune in again for more hot financial and world news.